NSDR, or non-sleep deep rest, is a set of guided practices that move your brain and body into a deeply relaxed, drowsy state without falling asleep. It typically combines slow breathing with a body scan or Yoga Nidra script and is used to lower stress, restore alertness, and make it easier to fall asleep later. What NSDR actually is, NSDR stands for non-sleep deep rest. It describes any guided practice that walks you into a state of deep physical and mental relaxation while you stay awake. You lie down, follow a recorded voice, slow your breathing, and let your attention move through the body. Brain and body downshift towards sleep without crossing into it. The term itself is modern. Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman popularized NSDR as a secular, science-friendly label so people could access these protocols without the spiritual framing. The underlying techniques, though, are old. Most NSDR is Yoga Nidra, a structured relaxation practice with roots going back centuries. How NSDR works in the body. A typical session combines a few simple mechanisms. Long, slow exhales shift you toward parasympathetic, rest and digest activity, lowering heart rate. A body scan moves attention systematically from one body part to the next, which pulls focus away from anxious thinking. Stillness and a drowsy, hypnagogic state let the nervous system settle, similar to the threshold you cross right before sleep. The goal is not to achieve anything, it is to do less and let the body's own relaxation response take over. What NSDR is good for? People reach for NSDR to fall asleep more easily by practicing the wind down before bed, recover from an afternoon energy dip without a full nap that risks grogginess, lower acute stress after a hard day or before a stressful event, reset focus during long work blocks. It is a low-effort, low-risk tool. You do not need experience, flexibility, or any equipment beyond a place to lie down and something to play the audio. How to do a session 1. Lie down somewhere comfortable where you will not be disturbed. 2. Start a guided NSDR or Yoga Nidra recording. 10 to 20 minutes is a good default. 3. Let your breathing slow, with the exhale slightly longer than the inhale. 4. Follow the voice through the body scan. If you drift or your mind wanders, that is fine, just return. 5. Come out slowly when the recording ends. If you fall asleep, no harm done. But the practice works best when you stay just barely awake. NSDR versus sleep, naps, and meditation. NSDR is not a replacement for sleep, it is a complement. It does not run you through the sleep stages that consolidate memory and clear metabolic waste. Compared with a nap, it carries less risk of sleep inertia, that groggy, heavy feeling on waking. Compared with seated meditation, it is more passive and body-focused, and usually done lying down. Getting started. The easiest way in is a guided session, because the voice does the structuring for you. A library of Yoga Nidra and NSDR sessions of varying lengths lets you match the practice to the time you have, whether that is a 10-minute reset or a longer wind down before bed. That is the short version. The full sourced article and a free guided session to try tonight are linked in the description. Rest well.